Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Muhammad KIB1003 and today I'll be going to teach about lecture 7, friction. So firstly, we need to know what is friction. Friction is the resistance to motion of one object moving relative to one another. Friction is not a fundamental force like gravity or electromagnetism. Friction needs to be created. Friction is created when an object is moved on a surface. There is a formula that is related to friction, which is F equal to mu n. F is the friction force, mu is the coefficient of friction, and n is the normal force. You need to know that coefficient of friction is divided into two types, μs and μk. Μs is the coefficient of static friction, while μk is the coefficient of kinetic friction. So, how can an object slip through an inclined plane? Let's watch this video. So what can we observe from the video? We know that at certain level, the object will start to move. So how can this happen? As you can see from the video, you can see that when the board is being elevated, the angle will become greater and greater. And at one point, when it reaches the maximum height, the object will start to move and slip through the inclined plane or the board. So how this happen actually? So we need to see what forces that act on the object. As you can see from this picture, the resultant force can be resolved into vertical force and the horizontal force. The horizontal force is the W sin theta and the horizontal force is W cos theta or N. As you can see, the object will start to move if the angle of W, if the force of the W sin theta exceeds the force of the kinetic friction. This then will allow the object to start to move. So, we can conclude that the object will start to move when the angle of the elevation of the board is higher than the angle of repose. What if we change the surface? Will it affect the angle of the board to be elevated? Yes, as you can see from these two pictures, on the right side we have a smooth surface and on the left side we have rough surface. From the picture we can see that smooth surface only needs small angle in order to overcome the kinetic friction force or Fk. So the type of surface also will affect the angle of the board to be elevated. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.